Hello children, I hope you all are doing well and safe at home. I am Nikita ma'am and today I will teach you a new shape. But before that, we will do the revision of all the shapes that you have learned in previous sessions.
This is a circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. This is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. This is a star. This is a square. Square has 4 sides. Square has 4 corners and all the sides of the square are equal.
Now let's learn the new shape.
Today I am going to introduce you to our new shape. Can you see which shape is this? How does it look like? Does it look like a television? If I keep it like this, does it look like a door of your house? Yes. Okay children, this is a shape. So as you all have your name, this shape also has its name. Do you all want to know what is its name? Yes, I will tell you. The name of the shape is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now children, if you see the rectangle, it has got some sides. Let us count how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle shape has 4 sides. Rectangle shape में 4 sides होती हैं. Now let us count the corners of the rectangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle shape has 4 corners. Rectangle shape में 4 corners होते हैं. In rectangle shape, opposite sides are equal. Rectangle shape में opposite sides यानी ऊपर वाली साइड और नीचे वाली साइड इक्वल होती हैं. Like these sides are of equal length. Rectangle shape में ये दोनों साइड इक्वल होती हैं.
Let's see some flashcards of rectangle shaped objects.
This is a toffee. The shape of toffee is like rectangle. This is a suitcase. The shape of suitcase is like rectangle. This is a refrigerator. Next, this is a green board. The shape of green board is like a rectangle. In this activity, we will require some black chart paper strips, smileys, a picture and a fevi-stick. First, we will arrange these black strips in a form of rectangle shape. Opposite sides should be equal, like this. Now we will stick it using a fevi stick. See, our rectangle shape frame is ready now. Now we will decorate the frame with smileys. We will stick the smileys on a border of frame. Children, you can make this rectangle shape photo frame at your home with your parents. We will stick the smileys one by one around the frame. Look how beautiful our frame looks. Now we will stick the frame on the picture like this. We will stick it using a fevi stick. Now we are going to stick the frame. See children, our rectangle shape photo frame is ready now. It has 4 sides and 4 corners.
Let's see the worksheet.
This is the worksheet of rectangle shape. Here are some objects given of rectangle shape. Let's see. This is a television. This is a mobile phone. This is a book. This is a door. Children, you have to color the rectangle shape given in the middle with your favorite color. You have to do this worksheet in your maths class workbook on page number 12.
Thank you kids. Have a nice day. Bye.